In this short workout, we'll break down the full body Pilates movement, leg pull front, including preparatory movements and progressions. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. Leg pull front is performed in a plank position, also called front support. So we'll begin with shoulder stabilization exercises. Bring the arms straight in front, palms facing each other, and inhale to abduct or pull apart the shoulder blades. Exhale to adduct, squeeze the shoulder blades back together. Let's continue with a few of those. The shoulder blades pull apart, careful not to let the shoulders rise. Good, one more set. Inhale, shoulders pull apart. Exhale, shoulder blades squeeze back together. And let's come back, good. And onto a 4-point stance. Continuing with the shoulder stabilization, so the arms are straight, all points of the hand contacting the mat evenly, and hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Inhale to adduct, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And exhale, pull the shoulder blades apart. Squeeze the shoulder blades. And pull them apart. Good. Let's keep going. Few things to be mindful of. As the shoulder blades squeeze together, don't overarch the lower back. And as the shoulder blades pull apart, careful not to round the back. Good. Few more. Keep a nice steady breath going. And let's come back to a neutral starting position. Good. Now we'll work with the legs. With an exhale, extend the right leg. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale down. Good. 4 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. I want that leg straight. Keep that quad flexed, toe slightly pointed. And focus on the glute, lifting the leg. Careful not to open up the hip as the leg lifts up. Hips are stable. Back is stable. Last one. Good. And bring it in. Now left leg. Exhale to extend straight. Flex the quad, point the toe. Inhale. Use the glute to lift that straight leg up. Exhale down. Good. 4 more. Careful the left hip doesn't open up. Also keep the back stable as the leg lifts. Don't arch the lower back. Great. Keep that tummy pulled up. Last one. And bring it in. Great. Extend the right leg. Extend the left leg to come into a plank. Right leg down. Left leg down. Good. Let's go again. Switching the beginning legs. So left leg straight. Right straight. Left down, right down, and continue with that pattern. Let's do 3 more. When you're up in the plank, what we're looking for is the ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders to be in a straight line. Keep that belly pulled up. Good, last one. Great, let's move into the leg pull front. So coming up into that plank, legs straight, quads flexed. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, down. Good. We're doing 5 on each side. Quads flexed, toes slightly pointed. Belly is pulled up. Shoulders strong. Feel those muscles underneath the armpits. Last one. Good. Knees come down. And let's come back into a child's pose. Let the back relax. And we're going to move into one progression. I'm going to come down onto our forearms. And into a plank here on the forearms. And again with that same movement, inhale, right leg up. Exhale down, good. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down, 5 on each side. Keep going. Good, 2 more each side. Almost there, last set. Good, knees come down, and let's finish off in child's pose one more time. Thank you for joining me for that breakdown of leg pull front, a great full body exercise that I really like to include in leg workouts. If you'd like more breakdowns of individual Pilates movements, go to my Pilates exercise guide. My mat and other workout equipment are linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them, make a purchase, I get a small commission at no charge to you. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you at the next workout.